Welcome back to our day 2 of our series where I will be taking an eBay account which is currently making $0 and scaling it all the way up to $1,000 to $3,000 net profit every single month. Now, as I stated yesterday, I have gone ahead and listed around 16 more items onto our store. So totally we have around 33 listings as of now. So I did one extra. It's okay. At the moment, obviously, we're not expecting to make any sales with 33 listings. However, I just wanted to show you guys one thing that's pretty cool. I wanted to show you the views that we started getting, okay? So then you can witness how listing is going to be directly correlated with how many views that you're getting, and views will be directly correlated to how many sales you'll be getting. So as you can see, we had 16 listings and we were getting only around like 46 to 50 something views per day. And now, since we listed around 16 more items, now we're getting 3,143 impressions, okay? And in terms of the listing views, before we're getting around 8 in total, and 7 organically and 1 externally, because eBay does promote our side without you even promoting. However, we have gotten 156 views on our listing. So even with 33 listings, it could have ended up in a purchase, but as I stated, we are not expecting any sales as of now with 33 listings. Now, tomorrow I'll be listing about 32 listings, which we're going to be totaling up on 64 the next day. So that way we are going to see our impressions and our listing views going up day by day. So without further ado, this was today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Stay tuned.